You may have noticed the recent buzz around XRP, with some significant movements on the chart. What's going on? Is XRP about to take a turn for the worse, or are we just witnessing another blip in its roller coaster ride? Things aren't always as they seem in the world of crypto, and with XRP, there's always more than meets the eye. And let's not forget the big question, is this the calm before the storm or a sign of a major shift? Let's talk about what has many traders on edge. The appearance of a death cross on XRP's hourly charts. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the term, this is no small thing. It's a signal that many consider a potential precursor to a drop in price. Essentially, it happens when a short-term moving average crosses below a long-term moving average. For XRP, it's the 50-hour moving average that's fallen beneath the 200-hour moving average. This isn't something that just happens every day. It's a pattern that could suggest the bulls are losing steam and the bears might be ready to take over. It's like the market's warning light flashing red. Something serious could be coming. But hold on, because here's where things get interesting. Despite that ominous death cross, XRP has actually gained in the last 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. It's up 1.03%, now sitting at 318. This growth in the face of a bearish signal is puzzling many. Are the bulls getting ready to fight back? Or are we witnessing a brief surge before the inevitable downfall? It's moments like this that make the cryptocurrency world so unpredictable. The fact is, despite the appearance of a death cross, the price movement we're seeing right now doesn't necessarily follow the script. But don't get too comfortable. There's still a cloud of uncertainty hanging over XRP, and we can't rule out the possibility of further decline. As we dive deeper into the technicals, there's still a flicker of hope for the bulls. For example, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is still showing positive momentum. It's above the neutral 50 mark on several time frames, which means there's still some bullish energy in the market. But just like anything in the crypto world, that could change at any given moment. To truly confirm that the bulls have the upper hand, we need to see XRP break through certain resistance levels. That's the key. It's all about holding those levels and pushing past them. Without that, death cross might just be the first sign of a bigger problem. And let's not forget, moving average crossovers like this are often lagging indicators. What does that mean for you as a trader or investor? It means the market might have already adjusted to the warning sign. By the time the death cross appears, XRP might have already been oversold, and we could be due for a rebound. That's right, the market could surprise us all and make a sharp turn in the opposite direction. So, while the charts may look grim right now, there's always the chance for a sudden reversal. XRP's price action in recent days has been a spectacle in itself. On January 20th, XRP peaked at 3,365, but after that, things got tricky. The bears pushed the price back down, and it's been struggling to regain momentum ever since. The good news? The bulls haven't completely surrendered. In fact, despite not reaching the 340 mark in recent days, XRP has still managed to finish 4 out of the last 5 days in the green. That's right, despite all the volatility, XRP has held on. This kind of resilience is what traders love to see, even when things seem uncertain. Here's where it gets even more compelling. XRP appears to be in a consolidation phase right now, hovering between two major levels, 2.91 on the low end and 340 on the high end. This is classic range trading, where the price bounces between defined support and resistance, and if you think about it, this could be the calm before the storm. A breakout from this range could lead to some serious price action. If XRP holds its ground at $2.91, it might just be gearing up for a breakout above $3.40, which could set the stage for a push towards $4 and eventually $4.84. That's the kind of move traders dream about. But of course, there's always the risk that the range-bound action continues for longer, frustrating those hoping for a breakout. Now, if things turn bearish and the support levels fail to hold, we could be in for a rough ride. The first major support to watch is $2.81s. If that level breaks, it could lead to a test of the 50-day simple moving average SMA at $2.51. This is a critical level for the bulls to defend, because if the price falls below this, we could see XRP plummet to as low as $2. But don't be fooled, because the bulls will fiercely protect that 50-day SMA. They know that if it breaks, it could trigger a wider sell-off. This is make or break territory for XRP. And here's the real kicker. No one really knows what's coming next. Will XRP find its footing and surge back to new highs? Or will the bearish pressure be too much to overcome, sending it into a deep decline? That's the million-dollar question right now. The market's in a state of flux, and it's impossible to predict with certainty where XRP will go next. But that's what makes it so exciting. Whether you're a short-term trader or a long-term investor, it's crucial to keep an eye on the key technical levels and the broader market sentiment. A lot can change in a short amount of time. In the end, this is the kind of market that keeps you on the edge of your seat. With XRP showing mixed signals, traders and investors are left guessing what's coming next. But one thing's for sure, you don't want to take your eyes off the charts for long. The next move could be a game changer. Whether it's a breakout to the upside or a sharp drop, the next few days could hold the key to XRP's future.